Welcome, today in front of me DOOGEE X97 Pro, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google or Google Assistant option on this device. So first we should open the Google app, then tap on the right upper corner and go to the settings, then scroll to the voice section and tap to voice match. To activate Hey Google option, we should click once on the swatcher, tap to next, more, I agree, and once again to the next. And we can see now that the Hey Google option successfully activated. If you want the assistant to recognize your voice, you should click here to voice model and tap to retain voice model. After that, repeat after the assistant, tap to finish, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.